The most amazing places in Belgium. A journey through history, culture, and natural beauty. Belgium, a small but fascinating country located in the heart of Europe, is often overlooked by travelers. Yet it holds some of the most unique and stunning destinations on the continent. Known for its rich history, medieval towns, world-class art, and delicious cuisine, Belgium offers visitors a diverse range of experiences, from picturesque canals to Gothic architecture. In this video, we will take a closer look at the most amazing places in Belgium that you must visit. 1. Bruges, the fairy tale city of canals. Bruges, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is one of the most charming and romantic cities in Belgium. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is famous for its medieval architecture, cobblestone streets, and picturesque canals that weave through the city. A visit to Bruges feels like stepping back in time, with its well-preserved historic center, which includes iconic landmarks such as the Belfry Tower, the Market Square, and the Basilica of the Holy Blood. One of the most enchanting ways to explore Bruges is by taking a boat ride along its canals, where you can admire the elegant bridges, historical buildings, and lush greenery. The city is also known for its vibrant art scene, including the Groningen Museum, which houses works by the Flemish primitives, such as Jan van Eyck and Hans Memling. 2. Brussels, Belgium's cosmopolitan capital. Brussels, the capital of Belgium and the de facto capital of the European Union, is a vibrant city that combines old-world charm with modern flair. Known for its stunning architecture, rich cultural heritage, and delicious cuisine, Brussels is a city that appeals to a wide range of interests. The heart of Brussels is the Grand Place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, surrounded by opulent guild halls and the striking town hall. This historic square hosts numerous events and festivals throughout the year, including the famous flower carpet event in August, where the square is covered in a massive carpet of colorful begonias. 3. Ghent, a hidden gem of medieval beauty. While many travelers flock to Bruges, Ghent offers a similarly enchanting experience with a slightly less touristy feel. Located on the banks of the River Lys, Ghent is known for its stunning medieval architecture, picturesque canals, and vibrant cultural scene. The city is home to impressive landmarks, including the Gravenstein Castle, the St. Bagos Cathedral, and the Belfry of Ghent. One of the most famous art pieces housed in Ghent is the Ghent altarpiece by Jan van Eyck, located in the St. Bagos Cathedral. The altarpiece is considered one of the masterpieces of Flemish art and attracts art enthusiasts from all over the world. 4. Antwerp, the diamond and fashion capital. Antwerp, Belgium's second-largest city, is renowned for its fashion, diamonds, and artistic heritage. Located along the River Scheldt, this cosmopolitan city has long been a center of trade and culture, making it a perfect destination for those interested in fashion, art, and history. Antwerp is perhaps best known as the diamond capital of the world, with a long history of diamond trading. Visitors can explore the Antwerp Diamond District, where more than 80% of the world's diamonds are traded. The Museum Landestrum, MAS, is another highlight of the city, offering an impressive collection of art, history, and architecture with stunning views of Antwerp's skyline. The city is also famous for its vibrant fashion scene. Antwerp has long been a hub for avant-garde fashion designers, and the Modemuseum showcases the best of Belgian fashion. The city is home to stylish boutiques, trendy shops, and stylish cafes, making it a haven for fashion enthusiasts. 5. Ardennes, a natural escape. For those seeking a peaceful retreat surrounded by nature, the Ardennes region in southern Belgium is an ideal destination. Known for its dense forests, rolling hills, charming villages, and picturesque rivers, the Ardennes offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The region is perfect for outdoor activities such as hiking, cycling, kayaking, and fishing. One of the most popular destinations in the Ardennes is the Le Rocher en Ardennes, a charming town nestled in a picturesque valley, offering beautiful views and plenty of opportunities for outdoor adventures. The Hans-sur-Lesse cave system is another must-see attraction, where you can take a guided tour to explore the underground world of stalactites and stalagmites. 6. Dinant, A town of beauty and history. Located in the Wallonia region, Dinant is a small town known for its breathtaking scenery, historical landmarks, and rich cultural heritage. Situated along the Meuse River, Dinant is famous for its citadel, which sits high above the town and offers spectacular views of the river and surrounding cliffs. The Collegiate Church of Notre Dame is another notable landmark in Dinant, with its striking architecture and rich history. The town is also the birthplace of the famous saxophone inventor Adolphe Sax, and visitors can explore the Saxophone Museum to learn about his life and legacy. 7. The Belgian coast, beaches, and seaside charm. Belgium may not be known for its beaches, but the Belgian coast offers miles of sandy shores and charming seaside towns that make for a relaxing getaway. The Coast Tram, which runs along the entire Belgian coastline, is a great way to explore the beach towns and enjoy the views of the North Sea. Popular beach towns include Ostend, known for its lively atmosphere, Blankenberge, which has a fun fair and a bustling promenade, and Newport, a quieter destination with charming cafes and seafood restaurants. The Belgian coast is also home to several nature reserves, such as the Westhoek Nature Reserve, offering opportunities for birdwatching and peaceful walks along the dunes. 8. Mechelen, a small city with big charm. Mechelen, located between Brussels and Antwerp, is a small but delightful city with a rich history and plenty of things to see and do. The city is home to several impressive churches, such as the St. Rumbold's Cathedral, known for its towering spire, and the Kazerne Dawson, a former military barracks turned museum dedicated to the history of the Holocaust. Mechelen is also famous for its beautiful beginnage, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that dates back to the 13th century. The beginnage is a peaceful, historic quarter filled with charming buildings and a tranquil atmosphere. 9. The Belfries of Belgium, towers of history and culture. Belgium is home to a series of medieval belfries, tall towers that were once used as bell towers in the cities and towns of Flanders and Wallonia. These towers are a symbol of the country's historical and cultural heritage, and many are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Belfry of Bruges and the Belfry of Ghent are two of the most famous examples, but there are many others scattered throughout the country. 10. Waterloo, a historic battlefield. Located just south of Brussels, Waterloo is famous for being the site of the historic Battle of Waterloo in 1815, where Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated. Visitors can explore the Waterloo battlefield, where a number of monuments and museums commemorate the battle and its significance in European history. The Lion's Mound, a large artificial hill that offers a panoramic view of the battlefield, is one of the key attractions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.